हम लोग यहीं से है। नहीं नहीं भागेगा। जस्ट लुक एट द वे शी इज हैंडलिंग। ये कैसे खाना है इसको? लोकल फ्रॉग्स। केजी का कितना है इसका? पैकेट का कितना है? ऑपरेशन करना है इसको कुत्ता। There are frogs
And trust me, this seems very normal.
and rats, snail and also vegetable क्योंकि इनके साथ ये डालना पड़ता है। This is cow's meat. Just look at this. कुछ भी बिक रहा है भाई, कुछ भी। Just look at that. We are in the market of Kohima and we are about to explore some of the craziest market over here. This is how the place looks like and Prakriti is all set to get shocked. And one thing, let's have an open mind क्योंकि this is their tradition.
Let's not judge.
Let's not judge, let's not say anything, but let's just see and experience what's happening in and around India. We are going to Tikhel market. We are in the junction. This is the road to Manipur and we are supposed to go probably on the right side. Let's see. This is what I really like about Kohima. Just look at this. Zebra crossing and everyone following traffic rules. And there are no traffic lights. There are still traffic policemen. And here is a small market. शायद breakfast point है. Let's check it out. क्या मिलता है यहाँ? And we have pakoras and everything. And here we have our first contender frogs. Just look at this. Local frogs. केजी का कितना है इसका? पैकेट का कितना है?
तो 100 रुपया।
100।
इसको कैसे खाते हैं?
Itu murah, operasi karo, makan, nyemot, dalo, kau.
ऑपरेशन करना है इसको। हाँ हाँ। अच्छा होगा। वेरी टेस्टी।
Tekot भी आएगा। खाने से tekot भी आएगा।
ये कहाँ से पकड़ा? लोकल लोकल है ना ये तो। क्या क्या है देख सकता है। And we have snails as well. Just like और इसका एक
Snail
स्नेल का कितना?
100 रुपया।
100 इसका भी। बाकी क्या क्या है देख सकता है अंदर। ज्यादा वंस ये मर चुका है ये तो। इसका कितना? ये फ्री में देगा। They eat mouse as well भाई। This was not expected. I never knew. कितना का एंडी? नहीं मत निकालिए मत। हम लोग तो यहीं से है। हम लोग यहीं से है। नहीं भागेगा। कितना का है ये?
150।
एक पीस। जस्ट लुक एट द वे शी इज हैंडलिंग। ये कैसे खाना है इसको?
जुलाबो।
जुलाबो मतलब? ओ
Roast
रोस्ट करके कैस बॉयल?
Boil भी करो।
बॉयल अच्छा होता है। बॉयल या फ्राई अच्छा होगा? विच वन डू यू प्रेफर? बॉयल और फ्राई? प्रकृति इज रेडी टू ईट माउस। अरे यार कुछ भी बिक रहा है भाई, कुछ भी। जस्ट लुक एट दैट। Apart from all the frog, dogs and everything, Nagas really like vegetables as well, okay? Because this is what they put in the soup and everything. You can see each and everything over here. From
Local garlic, I guess.
yes, ये सब boil में जाता है। मतलब I think they are selling this because वो जो खरीद रहा है उसमें ये डालना ही पड़ेगा। Is that the reason? Yes, maybe. And dal, yes, this is the local dal, I think. Naga dal. This is probably the hottest chili in the entire world. Yes. Dry wild apple. You want this? Let's try this. And just look at the flowers. Maybe these are local flowers. Just look at how beautiful they look. एक side है beautiful और उस तरफ है पूरा हैवान. What is this? Pitcher plant. Oh no, Venus flytrap. And we also have breakfast. This is pork, no? This is pork. You have roll? Yeah, I'll take one. This is what we are having. इतना pork, मछली ये सब है, but we chose to have.
Just because of me.
No, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Let's try it out. इतना घटिया रोल आज तक मैंने कभी भी नहीं खाया. Literally the worst. But these are made of intestine and blood. Okay. So far उतना ज़्यादा कुछ देखा नहीं है, but still the frogs were something very unique. Prakriti is not very surprised.
chicken roll was disgusting.
That chicken roll, yes, इतना घटिया था भाई. But still I ate because पैसा तो लगाए भाई. I don't waste food. कुत्ता? खोलो. And this is ये क्या beef?
Yeah, this beef.
कितना है किलो का?
1 किलो में 300 रुपया.
This is cow's meat. Just look at this. मतलब it's very difficult to look at, but still. Okay, let's go to the place where I will feel the most. I don't know, yaar. I feel very sad seeing this. Yeah. This is the poultry only. ये तो कोयलर होगा ना? ये क्या है? किलो का कितना है भैया? पीस में कैसा दिया? हाँ 19 मतलब 1900 एक का. ये तो राजा हांस है ना. और ये नॉर्मल का 550. जस्ट लुक एट द प्लेस मैन. इट्स वेरी स्केरी ना. अंदर जाने में डर लग रहा है मुझे. ओके, दिस इज द वर्स्ट थिंग. Kutta. Fishes and everything were fine, but the dog is something I never expected. I knew यहाँ कुत्ता मिलता है.
I could see Hella smiling, man.
भाई, men's best friend. See, मुझे बोलने का मन भी नहीं because I am a non-vegetarian and even you are. It's the same feeling, but still, it's very difficult to see all
I
this.
don't think it's the same feeling because
It's the same feeling. It's the same feeling. Trust me, it's the same. One thing is clear. This is why there are no dogs on the street, because all the dogs are in the stomach. I don't even want to smile. I don't even want to talk. But it's very difficult to accept the fact this is very normal in Nagaland.
And please don't make judgments as well.
Yes,
their
it's
culture.
not about judgments, but जो ये सब normal दिन में नहीं देखता ना, it's very difficult. And someone who feeds dog in daily basis, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. Now give me your very honest review on this market.
If you really want to know about what the Naga people eat, this is the best market you guys should visit. But yeah, people can be little,
Rude.
not little, a lot rude. But that's okay. I mean, that's how we treat the people we don't know. And this is the best thing we ever had.
Apple,
Wild
dry apple. Wild, dry apple.
But if you are vegetarian, this is not the place for you.
Now we are standing right here. Okay. And on my left side there are frogs
And trust me, this seems very normal.
and rats, snail and also vegetable, क्योंकि इनके साथ ये डालना पड़ता है. White mouse, bro. ये घर में थे, मेरा दोस्त का घर में था ये पहले. That was a little bit of taboo from Nagaland. But yes,
Not a
this
taboo
is
to their culture.
it's their culture, yes. Obviously that is called taboo. Now when I see snail and frogs, I feel very normal क्योंकि मैंने कुत्ता देख लिया है. I feel very, very normal. But yes, that is the truth. We have our local taxi, white and yellow and black, the classic of Nagaland. Like we have in Kolkata, yellow taxi. यहाँ ये चलता है. I don't want to make a long video in this क्योंकि it will feel like I am trying to search and show a bad thing about Nagaland. But just look at this. The streets are very empty. No street dog, no puppies, nothing.
It's a very different feeling.
हाँ, क्योंकि सिलीगुड़ी में और in the other part of India कहीं भी there are a lot of dogs in the street and everywhere. लेकिन यहाँ
dogs हैं कि dog को पकड़ के shelter ले जाना पड़ता है.
हाँ, मतलब कोई injured होता है and everything.
Now the population of dogs are so much कि government is taking action and doing something so that they cannot breed. And look at her.
यहाँ भाई एक भी कुत्ता नहीं. And we are only concerned about dog. उतना we are being very biased क्योंकि chicken भी मरता है, fish and everything. But dog, it really hit me. But that's okay. This was it for this video. Please don't judge. This is the
Please
ritual.
don't judge. Please don't make any hard comments.
Yes.
It's their culture. Let's just accept everything with open heart.
Okay, this was it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned something. At least something. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Please
Take
like,
care.
comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye.